But India is dealing with its own anniversary marks, its own sense of helpless rage. We're just emerging from the aftermath of the blast at the Delhi High Court. It seems no coincidence that terrorists seem to target not just crowded urban areas seeking to cause maximum damage, but also symbols of the Indian state.
Ever since the Rajiv Gandhi assassination in
Two assassinations that shook the world. But despite the very public killings, even decades later, questions still remain about the deaths of the two charismatic leaders of the 21st century. The lawyer of Nalini, one of the suspects in the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case, is convinced that the murder was an inside job and that even top leaders may be involved. In a
Cycle confabulates with a serving army officer and a Mahant from Jammu and goodness knows who else to plot the blast in Malegaon. Now they're saying that this trio may have even been responsible for the blast in the Samjhauta Express and even the Ajmer blast. Now, a phrase that we never knew before in this country called Hindu terror.
to which a commission was set up, which went into the matter, which erodes the character of the state and the state as a protector. And it also has a certain question mark on the ability of the state to be able to protect constitutional institutions. We have to have more internal structures to be able to question, interrogate the quality of security assessments which are taking place.
Actually investigated Rajiv Gandhi's assassination. We'll come to you in a minute. Sir, Ajay Sahani, if I can get you in. You have said since these attacks took place that our priorities are in a sense misplaced. We're looking at the wrong solutions.
We try to protect our cities by, sort of compounding
Layers of
layer
security.
upon layer of security. You cannot protect your cities if your hinterland is unprotected. All these crimes are today being planned
in the Mufassil towns, in the villages,
areas, the villages. Our police administration in these areas, and especially in the rural areas,